Day 3! Oh, wait, day 4?
I don't know.
It's day 4 already?
That's day 6.
Day 3.
We're going to Oahu!
Oh, I love day 6. It is fine. I
Everything
feel like there'd be better laundromats
is
than that's
fine.
Laundromats? Yeah, laundromats. Because, the nearest one from here would... Someone hold the beers, please.
What? Yo, mama.
Let me just add to that.
Goodbye, hotel room. Oh, thank you.
Bye bye.
Bye bye. Wait, let me double check. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Morning, auntie. Bye, auntie. Yes, auntie.
Thank you.
You too. Wow. You know that like that girl who's like makes videos for her future kids? I kind of want to try to do that. But not for future kids.
Cheese! Should have been a lookout.
What's going on? Ooh, almost missed the path. Let's Marvin Gaye and get it on. But my heart, bye bye hotel. I'll see you soon, probably. I'll be back. We're doing it. Dang, is this the turbo?
Right now I'm at 4 high, but I was 4 low. So you wearing your seatbelt?
Oh. I'm just exaggerating. Hi kids, this is what your dad does for fun. I'm just kidding. It's all bright. long as the suspension's good.
Yeah. So you can go into second gear. Second gear. And go slow.
Or you kind of let him.
You gotta be in control of the steering wheel.
Oh, the exact same one, is it?
No.
Not the exact same trail.
Feels like big island.
Okay, stop. Okay, now go to lower gear.
Hug you. Oh shoot. It's a different one.
I'm ready.
Da primeira vez que eu te vi, menina, meu coração pulou pra boca. Da primeira vez que eu te vi, menina, meu coração assim não se vê nem na lista, nem no TikTok, no Instagram de artista.
So sus.
Corpo de mestiça, de tanta coisa boa. Te quero dar beijo na garoa. Da primeira vez que eu te vi, menina, meu coração
Going through the rental car station now. Still don't know where I'm going. Where we're going.
Da primeira vez que eu te vi, menina, meu coração pulou pra boca.
Alright boys, guess what we got? We got a Prius. I'm not sitting in the back, but I'm just putting my back on. Alright guys, I gotta do a little check. Oh. Should we get this one instead?
Te quero dar
Oh, I'm so excited for this. Not even gonna lie.
Wow.
Complimentary disinfectant, let's go.
primeira vez que eu te vi, menina,
I'm
meu
sold.
coração
Oh, the infotainment system too is
The sound has to be pretty good.
oh shoot, the light.
da primeira vez
Bad news,
que eu
guys.
te vi, menina,
Water bottle is leaking.
meu coração
Oh yeah. oh.
corpão assim não se vê nem na
Not bad.
vista, nem no TikTok, no Instagram de artista.
Oh wow, that is nice. That's a pretty
Corpo
nice
de
view.
mestiça,
Oh,
de
yeah, I
tanta
gotta get some
coisa
videos up in here.
boa.